Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to change your WeChat phone number on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to make sure you have the app downloaded on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you do that, launch the app. Then select the Me option on the bottom of your screen. Tap on it, then go to settings. On the settings on the top, you can see account security option. Go inside it and find phone option right below WeChat ID option. Tap on it and select change mobile. Then you have to type in the mobile number you want to change your number into. And guys, that's it. That's how you change WeChat phone number on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to your channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.